Okay, what's Chippy's new video, guys? And today I got a brand new ps5 over here. You can see it's 100% legit ps5 over here. This is not a scam, guys. I was not scammed from GameStop nor eBay. This is a legit ps5 from Sony. I was sponsored by Sony because, you know, I'm a YouTuber. Now, right now, I'm gonna unbox this shit right now. So, right now, I'm gonna put this PS4 on the ground in the bottom over here. This PS5 is pretty heavy. Accent said PS4. Wait, let me double check. Alright, so what I'm gonna do first is open this blue spot over here, just two little tape over here. I'm gonna cut my handy dandy scissors over here. As you can all see, look at this. I'm gonna cut it like this. Put my handy dandy scissors. This is kind of tough over here. Alright, see? The tape is already gone right now. Now, what y'all gonna see over here is the PS5 about to be open. Now I'm gonna put the scissors away because this box is pretty huge over here. So satisfying open the brand new PS5. Hey, cameraman, I need help. Hold it. It's just uncomfortable. Alright. Pull it out. Keep pulling it. Now put it somewhere else, okay? Okay, guys. Here's the PS5 over here, guys. Now, here's the PS logo over here. As you can all see. I don't know why my camera might have a little dent over here. It's kind of popping out. So, what I'm gonna do is kind of open it right now. This box is a little bit smaller, so I'm gonna open it up like this. I'm gonna open it up. You can see all of this over here, step 1, step 2. Oh, here we go. Oh, it's stuck right now. Oh, never mind. Actually, it's stuck. No. Here we go. I'm gonna put this PS5 over here. Actually, it's a little lighter right now. Okay, so in this little box over here, what we got is the DualSense controller over here. As you can all see, I'm gonna move this away. Just look at it. Look how beautiful it looks. Oh my god. It's so quiet. I think that should work. Oh, look at this. Ooh. Now I want to put it up, and I want to put it back where's it at. Alright. Second thing that I have is over here. Oh, there's nothing here. Oh look, over here. Look what I got. The charger for the PS5. It's a USB Type C. Oh, look at this. Look what I got. I got the power cord over here, the AC cord. Okay, I'm gonna see what's inside of here. Here's the PS5 stuff over here. All the instructions. I wonder what's this over here. Oh, look at this. An HDMI cable. HDMI 2.0. Look at this over here, guys. What the heck? Here's the stands for the PS5 over here. Look how huge it is. It wants to lay down, wants to stand up. I like it. I like it a lot. Now, the moment y'all been waiting for is the actual PS5 itself. I'm gonna show you guys in a couple of minutes. Now I'm gonna put this back where it belongs. All these instructions, these stuff. Alright guys, here's the PS5 itself. Now I'm gonna move this away. Go. Alright guys, let's see. Here's the PS5 itself, guys. You can all see it's pretty huge. Well, no, duh, it's huge. Look. And it's heavy too. Holy shit. Jesus. Look at this humongous PS5. And look how tall is it. Here it is, the PS5 itself. Holy shit. Look at this. Look how tall this PS5 is. It's brand new from Sony. There's no loose parts over here. Just look at it. It's all shiny and clean. You can remove the plates off and it feels pretty nice. It has a disk drive over here, as you can all see. Now I'm gonna show you a size comparison with the PS5 and the PS4. What a big difference over here. Once you lay it down, this isn't the right way to lay it down. But I'm gonna show you. You know, it's pretty long, it's pretty big. The correct way to lay down your PS5 is like this, but I'm gonna have it stand. So yes, this is my PS5 over here, and I'm gonna try to turn it on later, like in a future video. I'm just kidding. I'm gonna turn it on right now. We're gonna put some of the games on the PS4 on my PS5, the one games that I owned, and this will be my PS5 only because I paid $753 to $54 on GameStop. Here's the bundle, so don't think. So it's not from eBay, okay? Like, it ain't just from those scalpers over there. Alright guys, let's turn it on. Right now I'm gonna turn on the TV right now. I know this is old, but I later get it monitor, okay? Come on, now look at the PS5. Yeah, zoom it in. Here you can see. Now I want to plug this. And look, the PS5 is turned on right now. Wait. PS5 is barely turning on. I'm gonna connect this. Signal yet. I don't know what the heck is going on. Oh shit! Wait, is the power button? Oh no, this is the power button. My bad. This is the power button. I pressed the eject button because it's connecting. Oh shit! Oh, that's one side left thing. That's one side left thing. That's one side left thing. You can see. It's connected over here. Yeah, as y'all can see. Press the PS button. United States. Well, so far I have no Wi-Fi, guys, so I'll do it later, okay? Okay. Can you without this right now? Because I don't have a disc right now. Eastern time or where are we at? Mountain time, right?
We're in Denver.
We're in Mountain time, right? Yeah, I don't know.
It goes to the bottom.
Okay. Have the first version.